Hi guys, welcome to Kintore. We are located in Scotland in Aberdeenshire, and I'd like to show you around a little bit. Come on in. This is our house. It's called Beechlea. A lot of homes in Scotland are named, and so our house was called Beechlea in 1910 and has been that way ever since. Let me show you the garden. It's just enough space to let the kids run around, and we have a little patio area here. We used to have a hot tub just around the corner, but because we're moving, that's been sold. It's been a really nice little place to call home for 2.5 years, and I'd like to come inside where it's less windy and show you around. So like I said earlier, our house was built in 1910, which is by far the oldest house we've ever lived in. But it really makes for just a really lovely home with some nice features and character pieces. Let's start here in the kitchen. So originally this would have been a much more compact room, but the previous owners to us opened it up, so it's kind of considered open plan. So here in Scotland, everything is very closed off usually in most traditional homes, but they went ahead and opened up the kitchen into the dining area, and we've added a little seating area. So it's kind of 3-in-1 function of the room. So we obviously cook, we have meals here, and then we have a little bit of space for coffee and hangout time. Some of the cool pieces in this home are the live edge fireplace. I think it's really a nice feature. And we also really enjoy our wood burning stove. That has kept us warm and toasty on lots of cold winter nights here. And actually recently we had a power outage and I got to cook on the top of that thing. It was really, really cool. Kind of felt like a pioneer woman. Let's come through here and I'll show you our living space that's just across the way. Oh, right. So Harry the cow, he's a Scottish cow, but we bought him in Texas and moved him all the way over here with us, and I hope to break him back. So I guess this would be considered more the formal living space. I think this fireplace must have been renovated in the 1960s at some point, and we've updated it a little bit. It was kind of like a yellowy, marbly color, so we went ahead and painted it gray and just kind of brought out some of those details that you can see there. We hung our cello and guitars on the wall, and we've really enjoyed just having easy access to those things while we've lived here. And I think Harley and I both get down our instruments a lot more often than we used to because they're just out already. So hopefully in our new house we'll be able to do that as well. This is one of my favorite pieces. It's a mid-century modern console. I'm sad we're not taking that with us to Texas because I'd love to have something similar there. I've enjoyed that piece. We'll go to Trafford's room next, which is just down the hallway. So sticking with the Highland cow theme, or Highland coo, as you would say here, we got Trafford a very Scottish bedspread, and he's enjoyed that. But it has the original fireplace in here, which has lovely details with the original tiles, and it's still functional. We don't let Trafford, as a 10-year-old, light fires in here, but it could be lit still, which is lovely. To warm this room up in a massive wardrobe, or you would call that an armoire, I guess, in Texas. I'm not sure. But let's go through here and I'll show you a few more things. So back here is a full bathroom. It's a very tight squeeze, but Trafford claims this, our son claims this as his bathroom. Has a really nice updated tile in here. And then just obviously all the bare essentials of what you might need. And if you come through here, this has been such a blessing to have this space. So it's by far the largest laundry room we've ever had, which is amazing. And I'm sad to see this go, but it loops back through here and goes back into the kitchen. So you have a very nice flow of the downstairs as you come through here. If you want to follow me upstairs, we'll give you a tour up there. So the first room here on your right is what they would call a family bathroom, and it has an amazing soaker tub. It's really comfortable, and I'm just going to miss this so much, but some very fun, funky colored tile here that's been probably nothing that Harley and I would have chosen, but we really enjoyed having a bit of color in our space, which has been cool. And the kids' favorite shower, the electric shower. Not my favorite shower, but it's still good. And then just a little wood vanity there, so that's lovely. And as we come through here, we'll get to see our twin girls' room. And the beauty of these rooms is that it gets all the sunlight during the winter months. And we did not know when we purchased this house how much we would enjoy that, but it really warms the house and just is cheery on some of the drearier winter days. It's just a lovely, lovely aspect ratio to where we are. And you can actually see the primary school out the girls' window, so they will often look for friends as they go to school in the morning, and then it's just a very short commute walk to go to the school. So they love having their own space, and honestly, probably one of the largest rooms they've ever had, because it's nice, big space. And the exact opposite of the nice big room would be Harley's office in here, which he spent probably more hours than he cares to admit just working from home this past few years in COVID. But it's a lovely little space, plenty of room for a desk, and we've actually measured, you can fit a twin-size bed in this room if you needed to, and they classify it as a bedroom here. So it is technically a 4-bedroom house and 3 full baths, which is pretty amazing for such small square footage. And this is the primary bedroom, otherwise known as the master bedroom. And yeah, we've done a few updates in here. We probably could have done a few more, but did some basic things like paint and light fixtures. And in the ensuite bathroom, we've done just some modernization, I would say. But we have our nice closet here. And for an old house, this house actually has quite a bit of storage, which we've really enjoyed filling up, because we came here with about 10 bags when we moved here, and we've definitely filled up the whole house. So it's been an interesting, quick journey for that. But if you come in here, we have our ensuite bathroom, and we've just done a few updates, like the countertops, painting, a new towel rack radiator. So this provides heat for the bathroom and keeps it nice. And then we've also done new flooring in here, which has been a nice update to what was there before, and it's just great to have an ensuite bathroom there. So I think that's pretty much it. That's our house, and it's our little castle here in Scotland that we've so enjoyed, and we wish some of our family and friends would have been able to see it, but it's exciting that we have the opportunity just to make this video so that you can kind of walk through and see what a Scottish traditional home looks like.